Today I'm going to show you how to remove the roof on your Maestro 60. And this is going to be the same with the Maestro 60 as it is with the Forni. Underneath each leg, you have this L bracket. The L bracket is held in place by stainless steel screws, 2 at the front and 2 at the rear. You can see them underneath and on the side. It's the same for either side. The best way to remove these is by first turning your oven on its back, and then you can see the screws there. Once they're removed, the L bracket can be moved out of the way. Now this is important because as you can see, you have the screws, but you also have a bolt at the front and back on either side. Those bolts have nuts that are inside the unit itself. And you could use the holes that are provided to be able to access them, but it's easier to turn it on its back. You can then remove the corner panels and remove those nuts. And once that's been done, you take the bolt out and then you go around and remove all of the screws. There are 2 on either side. We have 1 at the front, 1 at the rear, and then our 4 screws on top. Moving on to the other side, 2 bolts on the side and 2 screws on the side. Once all the hardware has been removed, you simply lift off the roof and you can place the new one in place, put the bolts back in place, re-screw all of the stainless steel screws, and you're done.